Hello and welcome to YBS Insulation, based right here in the UK. My name is Daniel McCain and I'm the Managing Director. Today we want you to see inside the factory, give you an understanding of how our manufacturing processes work and how we produce the leading multi-foil insulation out there in the market. So now I'm going to hand you over to Lawrence Becker. Lawrence Becker's been in the business for over 10 years. He's going to give you a clear demonstration so you can understand how we produce the market leading products.
Thanks, Dan. Hi, I'm Lawrence and I'm the Technical Manager here at YBS Insulation. Now let's take a tour through the factory.
YBS Insulation are a UK-based multi-process manufacturer with over 25 years of knowledge and experience. A world leader in reflective insulation manufacturing and solutions, we cover a wide range of industries with a global customer base. Our custom designed multi-layer quilt machine allows us to create unique layer configurations to meet our customers' requirements. Currently producing over 2 million metres of reflective insulation every year, with scalability to increase production capacity even further. With training being a key driving part of our business, we ensure that all employees are trained to the highest standard in health and safety, production and quality. Our packaging contains a high percentage of recycled content and is 100% recyclable. As part of reducing our carbon footprint, YBS is introducing the use of sustainable powered forklift trucks. We specialise in the design and manufacture of innovative building insulation products for roofs, walls and floors. Our automated production processes allow for continuous manufacturing and the capabilities to produce various length and width products to meet the requirements of each market sector. We offer comprehensive, easy to install, cost-effective systems ideal for both refurbishment and new build projects. We are dedicated to offering the highest quality materials and products to our customers. To ensure we can achieve this, YBS has its own on-site laboratory and testing facility, enabling us to carry out rigorous quality control testing. This facility also gives YBS the capabilities to conduct research and development, ensuring we remain at the forefront of the industry. YBS offers a range of products which are fully Agreement certified or CE marked to industry standards, building control compliant, LABC assured and NHBC accepted. YBS Insulation has a long-term commitment to sustainability and responsibility as a UK manufacturer and supplier of insulation products. Our products contain up to 83% recycled material, the majority of which comes from recycled plastic in our polyester wadding. Our production plant is focused not just on the use of raw materials, but also on the recycling of our production waste, with zero waste going to landfill. Our products are readily available in over 2,500 stores throughout the UK and Europe. YBS provides training, technical and after-sales support for all of our products.
So from myself, Lawrence and the whole team at YBS, we'd like to thank you for taking the time to look inside our factory. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact myself, Lawrence or any of the YBS team, and we're happy to assist. So from myself and Lawrence, thank you and thank you for your time.